Hello, do you know the subtraction number bonds for the number 20? If you don't, that's great, because we're going to teach you that today. So subtraction number bonds are actually very easy, because all they mean is what two numbers subtracted together equal 20 in this case. And because 20 is quite a whole number and a round number to tens, it's actually very easy. So we could have one like this, 30 take away 10, for example. And again, that's a great one because that equals 20, and it's easy because we're just taking away 10. Or you could do one like this, 25 take away 5. Does that equal 20? Yes, well done. The point is, you're just looking for two numbers which subtracted together equal 20, okay? So play the next game, and you can even jot some ones down at home. Jot some combinations down, you can make easy or hard. But the outcome needs to be 20. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you the next one. Bye!